This is how to add a photo to an Overleaf resume. Go to Overleaf and from your project dashboard, select your resume, or you can create a fresh one. We will select our existing resume. Then we will use package called graphics. Say use package. It will be graphic X. Then we will upload an image. Okay, we will go to file. We will upload file and we will select files. And we will use this AI generated portrait. Then we will put our image, let's say above our name. Okay, we will create a new line. Then click this three dots right here. Select insert figure. We will select from project files. Then we will choose our image file. Will not include caption and will not include label. Then we will choose an image width, let's say 1/4. Then let's insert figure. Then click the compile. And here it is. So this is how to add a photo to an Overleaf resume.